In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import a Json file into Tableau. This process is incredibly straightforward and can be accomplished in just a few minutes, allowing you to quickly dive into your data analysis. Let's begin by launching the Tableau desktop application. If you're new to Tableau, this is a powerful tool used for data visualization, and it's particularly useful for transforming complex data into easy-to-understand insights. Once you've opened Tableau, you'll find yourself on the Start page. On this page, you'll notice a pane on the left labeled Connect. This is where the magic begins. Here, you'll want to select JSON file from the options provided. JSON, short for JavaScript Object Notation, is a popular data format that is both human-readable and easy for machines to parse and generate. It's widely used in web applications to transmit data between a server and client. After selecting JSON file, you're going to browse your local machine to locate the JSON file you want to import. Make sure you know the file's location beforehand. It will save you time during this process. Once you've found your file, go ahead and click Open. This action brings up the Select Schema Levels dialog box. At this point, Tableau will analyze your JSON file and display the various schema levels it detects. The schema levels illustrate how the data is structured, basically offering a blueprint of your data file. Your next step is selecting the specific schema levels that contain the data you wish to work with in Tableau. This is a critical step because these selections will determine the dimensions and measures available to you for analysis. Think of dimensions as the aspects of your data you want to analyze, while measures are numerical values that provide insights into those aspects. Once you've made your selections, and take your time here to ensure you're capturing all the necessary data, you'll click OK to confirm your choices. This action finalizes your schema level selections, and Tableau will proceed to import the data, making it available for your visualization needs. Importing JSON files into Tableau opens up a world of possibilities for data analysis. Whether you're dealing with complex data sets or simply want to generate a visual representation of your file's data, Tableau makes it seamless and efficient. With these steps complete, you're now ready to explore your data in Tableau's dynamic and intuitive interface. Thanks for joining me today, and happy analyzing.